egg yolk, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper or any other pepper you like. Whisk. While you are whisking, start adding vegetable oil slowly and slowly. The ingredients that you are incorporating should be at room temperature. Keep whisking and adding oil until the mixture gets nice and thick. For some freshness, you can use some lemon juice or vinegar. Silky smooth. Now you can use this to make these delicious deviled eggs or serve it with these chicken quesadilla, crunchy chicken strips, and even samosas or any other party food.